Good morning everybody, leaving Leon now for yet another Camino Salvador this time. This is a 6-day stage, I believe, taking me to Oviedo. Oviedo, why aren't they all as easy to pronounce as that? So, it's quite a challenging one again, much like the Badimienche. And I've got 2 days worth of food in my pack, weighing me down a little bit. But it's required because quite a few of the places I'm not guaranteed to have anywhere to stay and not guaranteed to have anywhere to eat. There's no grocery stores for a couple of days. So, you know, coffee shops are going to be something of a rarity again. So I'm going to have to wean myself also off the coffee. But it's a grand adventure, isn't it? And I'm so glad you're coming along with me. Let's go for it.